We've treated epidemiology as a kind of geeky niche silo
Yep.
inside our educational system, inside
Yep.
government. We never expected people who actually were involved in that geeky silo to actually have much relevance about talking to the wider public, dealing with other
Mhm.
parts of government, say talking to educators or anything like that. And that created two problems. One, it meant there was such tunnel vision around epidemiology and such a tendency to regard that as a geeky silo
Right.
that the West was incredibly slow to see the dangers of what was developing with COVID-19. And because the kind of people who looked at faraway countries that had very different cultures that seemed weird to Westerners,
Mhm.
again, sat in a different silo, they were often called anthropologists or China specialists. There was
Mhm.
very little attempt to join up the dots and get people to talk to each other. And when COVID-19 started rampaging, again, there was a very slow response in terms of trying to bring different groups of people to actually talk to each other. So, if you look, for example, at the composition of the SAGE committee, which has been the UK government's main group trying to fight this, it
Mhm.
was overwhelmingly medical scientists, which you need in a crisis, no question
Mhm.
about that.
Mhm.
But
Mhm.
a real downplaying of, say, behavioral science to look at how human populations were going to behave. And that has
Mm.
really hampered the way that the UK government, just to cite one example, has tried to fight back against COVID, this problem of silos.